Amazing uses of coconut oil. Uses: deep condition, tame frizz, add shine, minimize dandruff. Use as a first step face wash. Create a dye face mask. Remove eye makeup. Highlight your cheeks. Hydrate dry hands. Use in place of lotion. Slather on as a massage oil. Create a luscious body scrub. Nourish dry cuticles. Treat your feet. Soothe eczema. Now Foods, Solutions, Coconut Oil Review. Description: Now Solutions. Natural. Skin and hair, revitalizing. For skin, hair and scalp in need of a conditioning moisturizer. Suggested use: for luxuriously soft skin and hair, apply to the desired area as needed. Warnings: this product will melt at high temperatures and become solid again when cool. This is natural and may affect the appearance, but will not harm the quality of the product. If hard, it can be softened by placing in a pan of hot water for 30 minutes or microwaved for a few seconds. Do not place metal lid in microwave. Allow time to cool before applying. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.